What's up, y'all? It's Glenn Fahoda, and we got Ashley and Vanessa behind the camera. So in this video, we're gonna just quickly show you what we got for this trip. We fly out in a couple of days, but we kind of need the gear to pack to see what we're bringing. For this trip, we're flying out from DC, and then we're going to stop in for a few days in China. We might check out the Great Wall if we have time. Going over Korea for a couple of weeks and then ending the trip with a few days in Tokyo. So the bag that I'm bringing is not this one. This is the ProTactic version 1. This came out in 2014, and when it came out, I was very fortunate to be one of the few people to get it. And this has been my favorite go-to bag, along with others. You can check out all the reviews on the ProTactic. And this photographers love this bag. The front, tons of MOLLE options and slip lock options wrapped around the bag, even down here during the spine. This is a back access. Folds down on the bottom, you take it off your pack, you zip it open. You can access your gear without the back of the pack ever touching your bag with all the dirt and all that stuff on you. Let's fast forward to the Mark II, version 2. Oh, I need my knife. I already know what's in here because I got the email with the tracking, and I've already spoken with the wonderful crew at Lowepro. All right, safety first. Cut away from you. This is from Vitech Group. The past couple of, more recently, Lowepro. They formed underneath the Vitech Group, which also has Manfrotto underneath their house brand. Bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. All right, let's get to the goodies. Let's see what they sent. They sent a ProTactic Utility Bag 100 AW. You already know that means all weather. So all weather, somewhere in that pouch, there's a cover in this. For this one is black. I like how it's attached because when it is raining, kind of protect your gear, especially if you want to use this on your waist. The Utility 100, the old version that we use camera bodies. You can see you can put 2 different lenses in here. Slip lock, waist belt, or shoulder strap, and it comes with the strap here. Front zipper, you can keep your lens caps or gum, mint. Again, more MOLLE attachments and slip lock options. The next item we got, I kind of requested this, we use the other one almost on every shoot. It's a Lens Exchange 100. They also have a larger version for longer lenses, 70 to 200s or 300s. This is the 100 version. If you haven't seen this already, this has a pull down with a shoulder strap option. And you can exchange your lenses. You can have this mounted on your neck, waist, pack, or on another bag. You put a lens in, you put it on your camera that you want, and then when you're done, you just zip it up. So this is made to operate with one hand. This is pretty cool. I'm definitely going to use this because I plan on traveling light during the day for this trip. So we're going to put this one to use. Looks like another one. We'll just keep that in the bag. And this utility belt, which probably Vanessa or Ashley will be wearing throughout shoots. It's pretty much a belt with all the attachments to it. It is adjustable. So we can have a bunch of lens, utility bags, pouches, all here. Or we can take the cases that it comes with in the bag and put it on here. If you want to go streamline on the bag. The best part. Bam! Let's get straight to the point. So this is the ProTactic version 2. As you can see, it almost looks identical, but just small few features that are different that make this, I think, a better version of the Mark I. Starting with the side pocket, since this is a kind of like a flat panel pocket, if you do want to stick anything that has like some girth or width to it, it has this expandable feature here to fit anything that's not flat. Again, more strap options. Both sides. This is obviously where you put your keys on. Here's a front. Again, same design where you want to take this off your back and lay it down and access your gear. On the back shoulder straps, more options, adjustable sternum strap. Just like the Mark 1 or the version 1, it has a removable waist belt, which has pockets on here, which is removable by some hook and loop. And this is how I run the other bag. And this can be used independently if you want. And you can see when you do that, it has more options to attach your lens exchange or lens pouch cases. AW, this is where the pouch is. More grab handles on this one. This one's more streamlined, so obviously when it is heavy on the ground, you need to help pick it up. Right here, grab handle. All right, back access. Let's take a look inside. Shazam! I like how they have different colors because this gray area could be like your video stuff, your video camera gears or drones. And then this gray area could be where your camera gears, camera bodies, different lenses. My hand all the way in there can fit a 135, 70 to 200 upright. The same see-through frosted lid pockets where you can kind of see your contents. Still fits a 15-inch, up to a 15-inch laptop, iPad, folders. I like how this is because in TSA, you don't have to take all your contents out. You can just unzip it a little, unzip where the laptop is, and then take your laptop out. And what I usually do is I just put it on top and have this in its own tray as it goes down the conveyor belt. The attachments that it comes with, a nice utility bag. You can put your flash or whatever you want to put in here. Tripod leg holder that you can attach on the side or front. A bottle holder. This does hold the 32-ounce Nalgene bottles. And then you can obviously fit those wherever you want. This hard case, hard top, it's pretty cool because when you don't want to open up and show the world all your contents, you can just unzip this and then reach out for your camera body. I use this during flights underneath the seat. How I have it is I just unzip this, and this is where I have my headphones, some extra gum, some like candy bars. I'll sneak in, and when I'm done, since it's down by my feet, just zip this up and keep the contents closed. So yeah, this is the new ProTactic version 2. Stay tuned. I'll try to get some footage along the trip at different points of interest with the bag in action. And then what I'm thinking is, once I get back from the trip next month, I'll do a full review on how this fared. I'll do some comparisons between the Mark II and Mark 1. But yeah, thanks for watching.